Y'all, when I say this year has been one for the books in the most everything type of way, good, bad, ugly, sad, happy, everything, but we are gonna push that behind us and it is time to prepare for 2025.
Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
Honestly, I have so much I want to achieve and get done, but I feel like I'm finally in the place mentally more so of where it's not just thoughts no more, and like I actually feel myself putting in the effort to make the things happen, you know. Like, I'm aware of what I need to do, but now I'm actually doing what I need to do to put myself in the position I want to be in for the rest of my life. And today is the start of that. We have so much we need to get done. The kitchen is a mess. I look a mess. The house as a whole is just a mess. The children are childrening. I don't know. There's just so much, and basically we're just gonna use this video to tackle getting ready for 2025. What we have in store, you just have to wait and see. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the way my hair has grown, and it hasn't even been a full 2 years yet, is quite literally insane. Like, quite literally insane. I feel like this is the length that it was when I got it straightened that last time. It's about like a little lower than collarbone length. Get into it. But I'm about to get my hair done today. I'm trying out a new stylist, and I have pretty good expectations. I wanted to get my hair done by her for my birthday, but I was still sickly, so I just ended up rescheduling, and luckily she let me, like, you know, transfer my deposit and everything. So thankful. But yeah, I'm gonna get my hair done, and we're gonna be a whole new person for this new year. Oh my goodness, just looking at my hair like this makes me wish, like I want to see what it looks like straightened. I know it won't be like as like but I just want to see it. But we're probably never doing that again. We are not big chopping ever again. Not happening. These fiends, I'm over here knocking on this door. They're gonna run to the front door, but I'm happy. I just can't stop staring at it. Literally can't stop staring at it. Not my best blow dry, but I feel like I always say that. It's just, I do it be flatter and then it gets bigger, but I'm probably gonna put it back because I don't want it just out and about. I'm gonna just throw it in like a little ponytail or a bun or something until I get to the appointment. And she's very close to my home, like very conveniently located. We love that. We for sure love that. But I'm excited. Let's go to our hair appointment.
It's so incredible made this beat.
She will be getting booked again. Will. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Wait till I get some better light. One of my goals for the next year, or for the new year, is to, one, become financially free, completely out of debt, minus student loans, because I still have a little hope that they might be forgiven. So until I am obligated to pay them back, I'm not going to pay them back. But other than that, I want to get out of debt, like credit card debt. I do have one student loan that was like an extra one, like outside of FAFSA, that I have to pay. So that one, and I think that's pretty much it. We want to work on being financially free, eating better, working out better, budgeting, like the whole nine. So with all this being said, I've kind of collected a bunch of planners over time, and clearly, as you see, they're still wrapped up. I have not used them. So I'm gonna just show y'all some of them, because I'm finna jot down and kind of plan out my week, if not the whole next month coming up. These, I want to say these three I got from TikTok Shop. This one is the one I'm most excited about. It's kind of like a meal planner slash grocery list. You can write down your meals and then write whatever grocery items you need. This one I know I'm actually gonna use because I've been getting better, and I've just been putting it like in my notes app, so I just have to transfer it here. This one is a budget planner. I want to say I got off of TikTok Shop. As y'all see, I already had it like banded, but I never started writing in it. But I think this one is gonna come in handy. It's just making sure I actually like stick to it and write everything down. I have a weekly planner. This one, pretty basic. I honestly don't really think I like it. I'm more of a simple person, and I wish I kind of knew this before buying these, because these have like a lot of stuff I don't want. Like, I just want the basics. I just want a very simple planner. And at this point, I'm thinking after this year I might make my own planner and just stick to that, but we'll see. This one is an undated planner I got from Dollar Tree last year. Oops. This one I actually really like. It's simple, like every week. Very simple. It has a calendar. This is literally all I need. Which brings me to the one I just recently bought from Dollar Tree. This one, monthly planner, but it has it, let me find a page. It has it broke down like this. Y'all, this is so clear and straight to the point for a freaking $1.25. But y'all get the point. I think this is gonna be like the main one I use, more than likely this one and the meal one, and probably the budget one, just to get a little more like nitty gritty down to the point. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write everything down and try to get it set up, and I may or may not show y'all because I don't really want y'all in my business, but this is the goal, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited. And this is why our first stop is always Dollar Tree. Yeah, well, then we started picking up stuff, that's why. First stop, Dollar Tree. I think we spent, how much did we spend? $50?
Yeah.
Not horrible, not horrible. What would we call this?
What do you mean?
What type of, what is this considered? Hygiene supplies, household supplies?
Household supplies.
A mix of both, kind of. All complete.
Mainly household.
Yeah, mainly household. A few vitamins, some soap.
Yep.
The essentials. Target trip, spent roughly $100. Cashed out. That's not even the right receipt. That's crazy. Spent like $100 after about 5 gift cards and got another one. Yeah. My least favorite place to be. You're sick. You're sick. Our grocery list slash meal plan for the week. Mission complete. Mission. Final guesses. Final guesses. How much you think?
$85.
Dollars?
Yeah.
What the heck, no. Crazy.
You said it was less than 100.
No, you said 200
Yeah,
the first
you
time.
said
155.
You said less than
154. Exactly.
That's why I said 85.
Whatever. At this point, it's kind of mandatory to eat out whenever you grocery shop. You don't think so?
No.
I think so.
We've been eating out way too much.
We ate out twice.
Way too much.